Well, hello again everybody. Today another padlock, and one of my favourite padlocks, the Viro Cylindrical Padlock. This one is the 70mm version. I do enjoy picking it, we'll go into that in a second, but it's just a nice good solid padlock, quite nice to pick. Luckily enough, before I started picking this, I did see BosnianBill doing a video on it. Pointed out that in the bottom of the keyway there is a secret pin, as he calls it, and we end up having to make one of these to slot in to enable us to pick it. It also has very long pins, all spools. It's only 4 pins, but still quite tricky to pick. What I will do is I will leave links in the description to his video, and he's also done an article where he milled one of these apart to get to all the pins and see what was actually inside. So quite an interesting read, but I'll leave the links in the description below. Next thing, I'll just stick this in the vise and we'll have a go at picking it on camera. Right, back in a minute. Well, here we go. I've got to show you the lock opening. It is key retaining, and also the bitting, which is not too bad considering it's only a 4-pin lock. So what I have found with this, just as an example, if we try and do anything, nothing's happening, then we have this cut down key. As soon as that goes in, you can feel it go past the pin. We then get that extra movement on the core. Now, because the upper pins in this are so long and they're all spools, they take a lot of movement, and it's forever backwards and forwards through the stack. Because as soon as you set one, it will drop another one. That was 2. Let's try. There we go. Well, 4 now. But there is a lot of counter rotation, and sometimes they want to set, sometimes they don't. And as I said, as soon as you pick one, another one drops. I think that's 1 set now. Right, that one feels like number 3. Doesn't want to do anything. That's 4. 3. Now there we go, 3 had dropped. And because of the amount of movement I have to make on these pins, it is hard keeping the tip of the pick on the pins. Right, 1 is definitely set, 2 feels like it is, 3 I'm not sure about, 4 is springy still. Something wasn't quite set the way it should be. There we go, 4. It's going to, yep, that's got 4. No, that was actually 3, I think. Or it came straight back down. Come on. There we go. And finally got it open. So, there it is. Like I say, one of my favourite padlocks. I do enjoy it, and it's well worth going and having a look at BosnianBill's video in his article, because he does all the technical stuff far better than I do. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.